Talking to a hotel receptionist.
Good evening. I have a reservation under Daniel Perez.
Welcome, Mr. Perez. Let me check. Yes, I see your booking for 3 nights. May I have your ID, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Everything looks good. Here are your room keys. You're in room 512 on the 5th floor.
Great. Does the hotel offer free Wi-Fi?
Yes, the network name is Grand Stay Guest, and the password is on the key card holder.
Perfect. What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is from 6:30 to 10 a.m. in the restaurant on the 1st floor.
Nice. Is the gym open late?
It's open 24 hours. The pool closes at 9 p.m. though.
Good to know. One more thing. Could I have extra pillows in my room?
Of course, I'll ask housekeeping to bring them right away.
Thanks. Also, do you have any restaurant recommendations nearby?
Yes, Riverside Grill is a 5-minute walk. Guests love their seafood.
Sounds great. And what time is checkout?
Checkout is at noon. If you need a late checkout, just let us know.
Thanks for all your help.
My pleasure. Enjoy your stay. Small talk with coworkers.
Morning, Jen. How's the project coming along?
Hey, it's going pretty well. I just finished the first draft. What about your report?
I'm almost done. I'll review it after lunch.
Good plan. Are you joining the team meeting at 3?
Yes, I'll be there. By the way, how was your weekend?
Relaxing. I visited my parents and watched a new series. How about you?
I went hiking. It was great to get some fresh air.
Nice. You look energized.
Thanks. How are you feeling today? Workload okay?
Not bad. A little busy, but manageable.
Same here. At least the office isn't freezing today.
True. They finally adjusted the temperature.
Good change. Anyway, want to grab coffee later?
Sure. Sounds great. Talking about food orders.
Hi, I'd like to place an order for takeout.
Of course. What would you like?
I'll have the chicken curry, medium spice, and 1 order of garlic naan.
Got it. Would you like rice with that?
Yes, please. What kind of vegetables are in the curry?
It has potatoes, carrots, and bell peppers.
Perfect. Can you make it a little less salty?
Absolutely. We can do that. Anything else?
Do you recommend any appetizers?
Our samosas are very popular.
Okay, I'll take 1 order.
Great. So that's chicken curry, garlic naan, rice, and samosas.
Yes, that's correct.
Your total is $18.50. How would you like to pay?
I'll pay by card. How long will the order take?
About 15 minutes.
Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. Asking about weather forecasts.
Hey, do you know what the weather is like right now?
It's sunny, but a bit windy, around 18 degrees.
Nice. Do you know if it's going to rain this afternoon?
The forecast says light showers around 4 p.m.
Good to know. I need to plan my walk. What about tomorrow?
Tomorrow should be warmer, about 22 degrees with no rain.
Great. I'm going to a picnic on Saturday. How's the weekend looking?
Saturday will be partly cloudy but dry. Sunday might have a storm warning though.
Oh, really? Should I cancel outdoor plans?
Maybe. Keep them flexible. The storm might pass quickly.
Thanks for the update.
Anytime. Talking about morning and evening routines.
What time do you usually wake up?
Around 6:30, I like to start my day slowly. You?
I get up at 7. I usually take a quick shower right away.
Same. Then I make coffee and eat a light breakfast.
I'm more of a tea person. I grab toast or fruit before leaving.
How long is your commute?
About 20 minutes by bus. It's pretty easy.
Nice. When I get home in the evening, I like to change into comfy clothes immediately.
Me too. Then I usually read or watch a show to relax.
Do you exercise at night?
Sometimes, a short walk helps me clear my mind.
Sounds like a good routine.
It works for me.